8 फैशन मिस्टेक्स दैट यू ऑल शुड अवॉइड। आई एम श्योर हमने लाइफ के किसी न किसी पॉइंट पे फैशन फॉलो करने की कोशिश की है एंड अगर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स हमारे पास होते द गेम वुड हैव बीन कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट। हर किसी को अपना एक स्पेसिफिक एस्थेटिक आइडेंटिफाई करने की ज़रूरत होती है एंड वंस यू आर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट एस्थेटिक यू आर एबल टू बिल्ड योर ओन फैशन स्टेटमेंट। ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि हर ट्रेंड इज़ अ फैशन स्टेटमेंट फॉर यू। यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट वर्क्स बेस्ट फॉर यू। Hey guys, this is Salman and I'm today here with Dadi Moosh to help you identify what those 8 to 9 core important mistakes are that you can avoid to make your fashion statement stand out. So before we get into it, subscribe to the Men's Guide by Dadi Moosh channel and let's get into it. Don't buy things in every color. हम Asians का skin type ऐसा होता है कि हर color हर किसी पे सूट नहीं करता and I think that's fine. Not everybody needs to wear shocking pink or yellow. The best way to go about it is कि get some neutral and monochromatic colors. जैसे get something which is blue, get something which is beige, get something which is white. ये इतने wardrobe staples के लिए अच्छा है आपके कि when you mix and match your wardrobe and you put them on, they really come out the best version of you. क्योंकि Asians की skin tone ऐसी light brownish shade की होती है कि monochromatic tones make you look really nice. So अगर wardrobe में कोई भी yellow या green color की shirt है shocking से किसी color की तो please throw it out of your wardrobe. You need to get something which is light textured, maybe something which is a good blue, maybe something which is a beige. ये लड़कों पे बहुत अच्छी लगती है and ये wardrobe essentials के लिए तुम्हारे लिए सबसे important चीज़ है। Don't buy everything that you see on social media. कुछ भी लेने से पहले give it a thought that is it something that you will wear more than once, twice or thrice. अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है तो that means that will be a wardrobe staple for you and you can use it time and time again. हर एस्थेटिक हर फैशन ट्रेंड को कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकता। हो सकता है कि एक पॉइंट इन टाइम पे जीन्स फोल्ड करने का फैशन आया था एंड वो किसी को सूट कर रहा हो बट इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि वो तुम्हें भी सूट करेगा। तो यू गॉट टू बी वेरी श्योर अबाउट क्रिएटिंग दैट बैलेंस विद योर एस्थेटिक्स। थिंक अबाउट इट, समवन हु वेयर्स ओल्ड मनी एस्थेटिक्स द एंटायर ईयर और वो एकदम से फ्लोरल शर्ट वाले ट्रेंड के अंदर डीप डाइव करेगा तो डू यू थिंक ही will be able to complement that? I don't think so. I think that will be something that will be a mark on the entire aesthetic that he's tried to build. So for people maybe who wanted to cash in on this trend, वो उनके लिए इतना successful नहीं होता. But at the same time ऐसे बहुत सारे trends आएंगे that you need to balance out कि if it's actually complementing your aesthetic. So don't buy into everything that you see. Wear what comforts you. A pair of skinny jeans that's too tight, a pair of shoes that are uncomfortable to walk in, a shirt which has an itchy fabric. ये सारी चीज़ें you need to throw out of your wardrobe because they won't let you get through your day without being in agony. ऐसी चीज़ों पे invest करना शुरू करें जो चीज़ें you can wear 12 to 13 hours a day and they become crucial staples in your wardrobe. A linen shirt. Some people might absolutely love it and wear it day in day out. But कुछ लोगों के लिए वो linen itchy हो जाता है. So you need to make sure anything and everything that you wear adds comfort to it. So you're able to rock it not only on one occasion but multiple occasions. Dress for your lifestyle. You need to identify what your nature of job is. अगर आपकी job demand करती है that you wear formals throughout the year, you need to build your wardrobe in a way that it complements that entire lifestyle and you get comfortable into it. But maybe if your nature of job is a little casual, you're working in an advertising agency, you need to have some staples in your wardrobe जो not only fit for the right occasions to wear, but a big amount of wardrobe essentials that you can wear day in, day out. Like maybe t-shirts, like maybe polo shirts. ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप daily पहनो and you get comfortable into it. But if your wardrobe consists of 50% of high value essentials, जैसे suits and blazers for maybe let's say a casual workspace job, so I have some bad news for you. Your wardrobe needs to be a balance. You need to identify कि मेरे nature of work के साथ क्या कपड़े अच्छे रहेंगे. If your nature of work is let's say business professional, you need to have Oxford shirts, formal shirts, pleated trousers, linen trousers, ऐसी चीज़ें that you can wear to that specific nature of work and be comfortable. But if it's elsewise, then it needs to be completely different. Don't bulk shop. This is something that I cannot enough emphasize on because 80% of the men make the same mistake. हर बंदा 6 महीने में जो जाके शॉपिंग करता है वो एक ही फैशन ट्रेंड से अपने वार्डरोब को फिल इन कर रहा है. Those clothes are likely to be more distressed, more destroyed और उनकी फिनिश भी खत्म होगी क्योंकि आप उन्हें बार बार पहनते रहोगे 6 महीने तक. Rather than that, go to shopping once a month एंड 2 से 3 कोर स्टेपल्स आप अपने वार्डरोब में ऐड कर लो। उससे वर्सेटैलिटी भी बढ़ेगी, उससे कपड़ों की आने वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी भी बढ़ेगी, यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई मोर कॉम्बिनेशंस आउट ऑफ इट एंड वो अच्छा भी लगेगा, इन कपड़े की लाइफ भी बढ़ेगी। यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट द मोर फ्रीक्वेंटली यू शॉप, the more that is coming into your wardrobe, there are more options for you to dress on and build on. So make sure that you're not one of those people जो 6 महीने में एक बार जाके पूरे साल के कपड़े ले लेते हैं। That's a no-go area. You need fits that fit differently. आप अपना पूरा wardrobe एक fitting पे build नहीं कर सकते। The entire wardrobe cannot be fitted clothes. The entire wardrobe cannot be loose fit clothes. You need to have a balance and a variation throughout it. हो सकता है एक blazer and trousers के outfit में अगर पैंट लूज फिट है तो वो अच्छी नहीं लग रही होगी। ओवर देयर यू नीडेड अ स्मार्ट कैजुअल फिट, बट मे बी यू वेयरिंग अ स्लिम फिट टी शर्ट, उसके साथ अगर लूज फिट पैंट्स होती तो अच्छी लगती। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द बैलेंस दैट योर वार्डरोब नीड्स, उसमें डिफरेंट फिटिंग के डिफरेंट एसेंशियल पीसेस होने चाहिए। लेट्स से you have a smart fit t-shirt and an oversized shirt. Both of these two things are pretty much the same thing and you can style them in a million ways अगर आपके पास combination balance right हो। You can wear a loose fit shirt with a smart pant of jeans and you can wear it with the loose fit pants. But if you were to wear a tight t-shirt with a tight jeans, you would look very awkward. So make sure you have that balance and that different ratio of clothes that you can kind of multiply and put into different combinations. हर शर्ट क्रॉप्ड शर्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, हर टी शर्ट टाइट नहीं होनी चाहिए, हर पैंट लूज नहीं होनी चाहिए. It needs to be a very smart balance. Don't buy everything that's either too expensive or either too cheap. Your wardrobe needs to have a balance of both of these things. अगर हर चीज़ महंगी होगी ना wardrobe में, तो you won't be able to drive maximum utility out of it. The expensive essentials in your wardrobe will be staples that will help you complete 80% of your looks. But at the same time, you need to have a few cheap pieces as well that you can get in on everyday outfits. अगर हर चीज़ महंगी होगी या हर चीज़ सस्ती होगी, the right combination might not work for you. Try to invest on the expensive essentials which go a very long way with you. Maybe some pleated trousers, maybe an expensive shirt, maybe a good pair of shoes. But अगर everyday fit के लिए t-shirts लेनी है, polos लेनी है, तो you can get on these जो cheap हो. I'll give you a very good example. This is one of the most expensive trousers I have in my wardrobe. It is something which costed me a fortune. But to understand it completes 80% of my looks, I can get this and multiply 100 looks out of it. But अगर मैं एक everyday essential वाली basic cheap polo में अपने 80% fits बनाने की कोशिश करूँगा, तो that won't complete what I'm trying to create. So you need to have that perfect balance and score कि expensive कपड़ों के कुछ एक ratio होना चाहिए and cheap कपड़ों का कुछ ratio होना चाहिए. And the right balance can help you create a lot of outfits in your wardrobe. Organize your wardrobe. 80% of men fail to realize कि अगर आपका wardrobe organized हो, it shows you a bird's eye view कि आपके पास कितने कपड़े हैं और आप कितने अच्छे combinations बना के you can make yourself stand out. You really need to organize your wardrobe by color, by texture, by the type of look that it builds, by the type of variety that it comes in, ताकि कल को when you're planning an outfit, you can maybe match a linen with a linen piece, maybe a textured pant with a textured shirt. अगर आपका wardrobe organized होगा, it will help you understand कि there is so much in there that you can play and mix and match to build the right wardrobe for the right occasion. So gentlemen, I assure you, अगर एक कुछ छोटी tips को आप follow कर लोगे, तो you will be the best dressed man in the room. So for more tips and tricks like these, make sure you subscribe to the page Men's Guide by Dadi Mooch and make sure you are putting in an effort to become the best version of yourself.